Today I will be showing you how to give girl clothes to boys. So yeah. So this guy's gay. I said I would gladly give him some girls' clothes. Yes, I'm out of breath. I just ran up all the way stairs. Woof. So yeah. Right now it's loading. People ask me if I was Welsh and stuff, and yes, I am Welsh. Because yours. But yes, so first of all, you want to go to a part where it has girls' clothes and stuff. I did gift him stuff already, but it never sent. So I have to redo it. Yes, again. Which is gonna be great fun. Yay! Anyway, from the I have to sorry I'm not speaking, I'm just thinking about a lot right now. I'm trying to do my best right now and stuff. So I gave him a skirt and stuff, so I need to give him these. So you want to make it all laggy and stuff. So you click this, and then you click give gift, and then you keep tapping this right here. Keep clicking it. Oh, he messaged me. He said thank you. You're welcome. I'm just sending him. Okay, now to log into my other account, and I will get back to you when I have done it. Okay, we're back, and I'm about to message him on the much less liked account saying I've sent on my other account. OMG, you have to put it on. So yeah, now I forgot to show you. 1 second while I log. Wait, I'm just gonna open a new slide because I can't be bothered. I can't be reasoned. I told you 1, 3, 6,000 times. Yes. Sorry, I'm just like singing along. But I guess you're already bored, so I'll skip back when I've already set everything up to see you all in a second. Okay, and I'm back. So make sure you add me on UK server. Also, I messaged the boy saying, hey, I'm going to send some here to also record and say hello or hi or whatever you want to go by. So, one second. I'm back again. Yeah, sorry about that. My brother came in my room and I had to put the charger. I'm recording on PC though. Obviously. Let's just check. No. Oh, like alone right now. Wait, you went offline for some weird reason. Well, that's a meme. I want you in my room. I'm not doing this for like a YouTube, and then I'm going to show you proof that this works and all that stuff. This also works with diamond items and stuff too. But I don't really spend money on like diamond and stuff. I don't know what I'm wearing right now either. I mean, what is this hair? Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. I'm just singing a song. I so need to debate, but I can't be bothered. I'm tired. Boom, 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 boom. I could give him a D-pack here right now, but I can't be bothered. Honestly, I feel like I'm so rude to so many. Oh my gosh, I'm going to give him this hair. It's like this. I want to give him this. I'm joking, okay. And then we click this a number of times. Boom, 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 boom. Now to show you all that it's stuff, if we go into more profile, wait, 1 sec. I need to get rid of this slide right now. Okay. Okay, MSP, you alright, D-Love? You alright, D-Love? Of course, they're never okay. Alright, there we go. So now we click my profile. We go to gifts. Oh, I mean, this is funny. Boom, 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 boom. Click gifts, just checking stuff. And that actually makes it like loads, but it's not doing it today. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, no. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. I want you to load, and I will record when it is loaded. As you can see, I have given stuff to him. The grass. Okay. Oh, I also gave this to my brother. Chicken. It's Deepak here. I am very aware. I gave him the dress, PM trousers, some high heels, and a beautiful hair. So proof is done. This is not clickbait or anything. But thank you for watching. I love you all so much. Bye. Oh yeah, and I also forgot he said hi. Make sure you like, subscribe, give me kisses, hug. Mwah. Love you. Bye.